Everyone, Goodson Gamer here and welcome to Donkey Kong on the Apple II. So, this is a classic game I have reviewed on several systems but never on Apple II. So, this conversion came out in '83 and the original arcade came out in '81. Published by Atari, it says there. Cool. So, let's play normal mode here and one player of course. And off we go. Let's see how this one plays. And also check out my other reviews if you want to on other systems. My personal favorite is the Nintendo version actually. It's pretty short game actually. I think it's only 3 levels. It will be interesting to see how many levels this one has. If I'm not mistaken, I think the original has 4 levels. But correct me if I'm wrong. So I play with my Xbox One controller here. And it's a little bit problematic when I want to go up there. It doesn't respond so good. But let's see here. Oh shit! So I mean, the graphics is what it is. It's not perfect. It's a little bit of color clash going on. Ay caramba! But it's an early title, so I cannot be too harsh on it. But the control is pretty responsive. I mean, it doesn't respond that good when I want to climb a ladder. But perhaps my Xbox One controller is not optimal for this game, so I can't really blame the game too much. The jump is pretty ugly when he jumps, but. There you go. So, love is in the air. Sound effects is pretty okay for an early title. With today's standards, it's pretty ugly. But it's an old title, so I can really judge it and compare it to a modern game. It's not fair. What is that blue on top of me there? It looks like a mini tank or something. What is that? So here I need to open up this platform so Donkey Kong can fall down. And I should try to... Oh shit! So this is my last life, I think. I have 3 lives, so... Yeah, the control system is not optimal here. It's a little bit... No, it doesn't really respond. I have to do it one more time. Game over. So I have to go all over again, but never mind. So now we know that if you play this on the original hardware, perhaps it's much more responsive. It's a little bit of frustrating here, but there's a little bit of slowdown, a little bit of responsiveness when I want to climb here. He don't go up there, so it makes it very difficult. There you go. It takes a long time. So okay, so now we know that. So I mean, Apple II is a system that I'm not very familiar with. I have only read about it, I've heard about it, I've seen some gameplay videos. Oh shit! Now I die like a fly here on the first level. So Apple II was in existence a long time actually. It started out in '79 and they developed games on it and other software up to mid-90s around there, you know. So it was 16 years of life for a system. That is pretty impressive actually. But I have never played on any Apple II. Cannot really remember if I had friends who had it back in the day or anything. I don't think so. But it's cool to have emulation So one can experience cool old school games. But get up there. It's so unresponsive with my control. It's ridiculous, actually. There you go, look. It takes like 5 seconds. Hooray. Yeah, this is my last go, actually. So it's a little bit frustrating with the controls here. I want to see if there is more, how many levels there are, but I have not practiced. I mean, this is like my first go. I just give it one test run earlier, just to see if it works and everything. Get up there. So there you go, get up there, collect that. Ay caramba. I was so close. So I think this is my last life here. Let's go this way again here. And please climb. Get up there. Shit, it's so difficult. Please get down there. Ay caramba. Ay ay ay. Yeah, this is my last life. Whew. So here we go. Can I make it? Can I make it? Can I make it? Let's go this way this time. But please climb up. Ay caramba. How many lives do I have? Did I reach an extra life or something? Yeah, I think I might have. Okay, let's try once again here. And please climb up. Can you do that, please? Ay caramba. Game over. Yeah, it is frustrating game with the controls actually. So sorry about that, but what can I do? So there you go. I don't know how many levels it is in this game, but in this version, to say. So it's a very average version. There are so many better versions out there. So I recommend you go with the NES version or the Commodore 64 version. There are 2 different Commodore 64 versions, but I review the better one, I believe. So check out that one out, and all, like always, have a good one, will ya? Goodbye.